Hello, this is really a good time to get out and plant some veggies. So our friend Keith is going to give us a lesson on how easy it is to get started on something that is fun and rewarding in so many ways. Let's do it. Keith, please show us how to successfully sow seeds.
First thing we do is we need to find our seeds, and you can get them from Bunnings or somewhere online, whatever else.
Yes.
And on the packet you'll have the number of seeds that are in each actual packet and what method that you use to sow them. Seeds are sown twice their width in depth. A pea is that, so it goes down twice that in depth.
Size, okay.
So the ones that we have to sow into punnets, we make up our own pots and so forth, and you can demonstrate
Start doing that
how
now.
that all happens.
Okay, and what are we using newspaper for?
Because newspaper is one of the best things. It's made out of carbon, so we're actually sequestering carbon back into the soil.
Okay.
It rots away, so you know, and you don't need to therefore take the seedling once it's growing out. That's
Like
it.
this?
Beautiful.
Tuck it all up,
Tuck it all in.
and then what do I do? Go into this.
Straight into your seed raising mix.
This is seed
Fill it
raising
up.
mix, okay. Pat it down, and then push. Is that
Push
right?
and lift
Push
out.
and lift. Oh, it's coming out. That is fantastic. Cheap and easy.
Top it up a
Take
little
it
bit,
down a little bit.
and it goes into our big seed tray over
Well,
here.
that's a great pot. Love that.
We're going to label each of the varieties we're going to be sowing, and because seeds are so economical, there are so many into a packet, you can sow some for your friends because seedlings are getting so hard to get.
They are so impossible. I looked online and yeah, very, very hard right now because everyone is wanting to do this, obviously.
right. So,
That's a great idea.
so once we've got our seeds all ready and set up to go, we simply plant them twice their width in depth, and I like to put 2 into each particular punnet. It's the first thing that those seeds will do once they've got contact with water and the soil. They will germinate, they'll put a root down, and then they'll grow a stem, and they'll put out 2 leaves. Now these 2 leaves look nothing like the rest of the leaves on the plant,
Yes.
and these are called embryonic leaves.
Right.
So once they get up and get going, they will get the sun, which then gives them the ability to create through photosynthesis the 2 sugars that are most important for growth.
Okay.
And once they've got the sun going, then they'll put on their true leaves,
Ah.
and they come afterwards.
Okay.
So we'll then put these in an area until they're germinated, somewhere nice and warm, and then they can go into a little hothouse, or if you haven't got a hothouse, just somewhere out in the sun where they get plenty of sunlight during the day, ensuring that they're kept moist all the way through this whole process. That is most important, moisture all the way through. And we use a thing like this bottle top water.
Oh, I like that. That bottle top's great. Where do you get that from?
You get that through Ryset,
Oh, yes.
Australia.
That's
so
a great idea.
Get them
Or-
in packets.
Or you can misting.
Misting's also good, but the beauty about this is that it puts out a beautiful fine lot of water, and
Yeah.
that won't wash those tiny little seeds back out to the surface. So we need these little seedlings to put on at least 4 to 6 leaves.
Okay.
And then once they've done that, they can be just taken out of the trays into your veggie garden, and you plant the whole lot, so you're not disturbing the roots one little bit.
Yes, I love that idea. That's fantastic. So then the newspaper breaks down
Just
over
breaks
time.
down and putting the
That
carbon
is
into the soil,
wonderful. Okay.
and
That's
we're helping the environment.
That's fantastic, and that is so cheap because the seeds are quite cheap, aren't they, compared to seedlings?
Yes, and well, one packet of these seeds is around about $1, maybe $1.50 at the most.
Okay.
And you're getting maybe 100 seeds.
Yeah.
You buy a little punnet of seedlings, and
Yes.
you've probably got more in there you'll ever actually use in the garden bed.
All right. Now, did we talk about the benefits of seeds compared to seedlings?
Yeah, one of the benefits are that if you're buying these seeds from a reputable seed grower, these are all certified seeds, and more likely than not they'll be heirloom varieties. So that means that you can actually save the seeds from the plants when they produce seeds and grow them again next year if you're happy with what you grew.
Okay. Whereas seedlings, which many of us do buy because we think that's an easier path to take,
Are basically all hybrids. So they've been created in a laboratory, and you can't save the seeds from those because they will not grow true to type.
that is very interesting. That is great. Have we missed anything?
Normally it would be probably between 3 and 4 weeks before you've got a seedling up and growing. And another important thing is that we grow them at the right time, and that's all to do with the moon calendar. And right now is the best time because we've got 11 days of prolific growth.
Okay, so everyone, we need to get out there and actually do it now. Get them into these cute little punnets here. For people in Melbourne who want to know what to plant when, don't forget that there is a wonderful veggie and herb planting guide in the form of a print or a poster that you can find on the website. Thank you, Keith. That is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to go home and do some planting, and hopefully you will too. See you next time. Bye. That wasn't a very good bit of news.
Absolutely great.